Okay, we're doing an introduction to Monkey Canyon Trail. We're getting bit by mosquitoes while we're trying to film. Anyway, we're gonna get our monkey on because we're in the jungle. So, woo! All trails just kind of dumps you at the creek, and then you make your decision. You want to go left or right? We chose left. It looked inviting. We're gonna see what we run into. I did watch a few YouTube videos. There's all natural pools, there's slides. I'm excited we're gonna find some, I hope, today. There's no official trail on Monkey Canyon. Just follow the mosquitoes and the creek. Sean and Heidi with Hike Bites. We're at Monkey Canyon Trail, and boy, this place is no joke. We're on the way up. We've got bitten alive. There's rock climbing, you're descending, canyoneering, beautiful natural pools, canyons, unbelievable views at every corner, but be prepared. I may even suggest pants.
Yes.
A lot of bug spray.
Yes.
Gloves. We bought gloves at the Home Depot. That helped. I still got scratches from brush on my knuckles from the rocks. Be prepared, guys. Maybe even a little tiny medical kit, Band-Aids and some Neosporin.
Yep.
All right.